Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Come aboard with us in today's episode as a crew member on an Alaska-bound cruise ship has been accused of lying to federal investigators regarding an alleged sexual assault. On a voyage departing Vancouver on May 15th and arriving in Seward on May 22nd, a passenger aboard the Norwegian Jewel had an unsettling experience. Neeraj Bhatt, working as a stateroom attendant at the time, stands accused of making unwanted advances towards the passenger. The victim recounted feeling uncomfortable as Bhatt unpacked her clothing and repeatedly knocked on her door, despite her expressing the desire to handle these matters independently. The situation escalated when, on May 16th, Bhatt entered the passenger's cabin uninvited and closed the door, violating Norwegian Cruise Line's policies. He then proceeded to comment on her legs, offered to massage them, and returned with bottles of lotion and oil. Feeling trapped, the victim reluctantly allowed Bhatt to begin massaging her, hoping he would eventually leave her alone. Disturbingly, Bhatt then requested that she remove her skirt to continue the massage, prompting her to threaten to report him. Fearing for her safety, the victim asserted her boundaries once more when Bhatt attempted to hug and kiss her. She promptly reported the encounter the following day, shedding light on this distressing incident. The charges against Bhatt state that surveillance footage captured him entering the victim's stateroom on 3 separate occasions, spending more than 20 minutes with her, alone behind a closed door. The evidence from the surveillance video contradicted Bhatt's initial claims. When confronted by investigators, Bhatt denied closing the door and insisted he only entered the room twice. It was only when faced with irrefutable evidence that he admitted to lying about his actions. As a result, Norwegian Cruise Line swiftly terminated his employment. The incident, which took place aboard the Norwegian Jewel, has attracted the attention of Anchorage-based federal authorities. Neeraj Bhatt now faces 1 count of making a false statement. While the authorities have not commented on potential further charges, it is crucial to recognize their commitment to thoroughly investigating the matter. Norwegian Cruise Line, the operator of the Norwegian Jewel, has yet to issue an official statement regarding Bhatt's charges. Incidents like these remind us of the significance of maintaining safe and enjoyable passenger experiences. Now, what are your thoughts on this disturbing event? Will this impact your perspective on cruising? How can the cruise line industry work towards preventing such incidents in the future? Let us know in the comments section below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.